Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, I've got some simple hacks to make your lips look smaller. Whether you're aiming for a more subtle look or just want to try something new, these tips are for you. First up, let's talk about color. Darker shades of lipstick can create the illusion of smaller lips. Think deep reds, browns, or even burgundy. Just make sure to choose a matte finish. Why matte? Because glossy or shiny lipsticks can reflect light, making your lips look bigger. Next, lip liner is your best friend. Grab a lip liner that matches your lipstick shade. Outline just inside your natural lip line. This trick helps create a more defined and slightly smaller appearance. And remember, blend it well with your lipstick for a seamless look. Now, on to concealer. Applying a bit of concealer around your lips can work wonders. It helps to blur the edges and makes your lips look less prominent. Just dab a small amount with a brush or your finger and blend it out. Easy peasy. Another great tip is to focus on your eyes. Yes, you heard me right. By drawing attention to your eyes, your lips will naturally appear smaller. Go bold with your eyeliner, add some eyeshadow, and don't forget those lashes. A little mascara can make a big difference. And finally, contouring isn't just for your cheeks. You can contour around your lips too. Using a contour powder or a darker shade of concealer, apply it just below your bottom lip and above your upper lip. Blend it out well for a shadow effect that subtly minimizes your lips. So, there you have it. Simple hacks to make your lips look smaller. Remember, it's all about playing with colors and shadows. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY beauty hacks. Until next time, stay crafty.